Did you know that most 20-year-old air conditioning systems get replaced when they could actually run for many more years? I had a call last week that proves this perfectly. This homeowner was convinced their system was done. It ran all day long, but barely cooled the house. They already had 3 quotes ranging from $8,000 to $12,000 for a complete replacement. Instead of jumping straight to replacement, I decided to try something different. I used a restoration process called AC Flush on their system. Within 1 hour, the air went from barely cooled into ice cold. I'm not kidding. The house dropped from 78 degrees to 72 degrees in just 30 minutes. The system finally started cycling on and off normally, instead of running constantly. The homeowner walked from room to room testing every single vent. They called their spouse over to feel the difference with their own hands. They couldn't believe it was the same system. That 20-year-old unit still had years of life left with a proper restoration. If your system runs but doesn't cool like it used to, ask your technician about AC Flush.